Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josievlogtv. In this video, I will teach you how to create text masking for your video intro using Inshot editing apps. Let's get started. And first step, click the video, then new, and next click the photo. We get the black background. This one. Now second step is click text. For example, I text good morning, like that. So we next the color, we choose the color green, this one. Next this one to adjust like this, adjust a little adjust. So little adjust like that. Okay, then a little zoom, okay. Then next step, you can click this animation. As you can see in my screen, hub in, hub out, and click this arrow. Next this arrow down and adjust this one like this, like that. Okay, then check. So now we try like that. Okay, then click check. So now we try again. So this adjust and click the split and delete. Okay, so again like this. So now we save. Okay, wait, commercial. Okay, finish. So okay, now we go again to our video, this one. Click video, next new, and video, and we here in my gallery to get the video, this one. Now next step, click the peep, okay, and get the black video. This is good morning, and you can put the full screen like this, full screen. You can touch the screen and put like this, and we try to adjust, okay. Then try, okay, can adjust again, and we touch the chroma, and that's like this, the chroma. Can touch the chroma, a little adjust to remove the green. Okay, we adjust full, no, like this in here. So we can, if we done, we can click the check. Okay, now as you can see, okay, and now the video we cut, because need this is same size, same length. Okay, and check this, cut the video. So we cut, split and delete. So as you can see like that. See the video? Yeah, it's good. Now if you want to delete this Inshot watermark, you can touch very well the screen like this, and you can choose proof or free remove. The pro have a payment. The free is you need to watch the commercial. Okay, I touched the free. So as you can see, have a commercial, 11 seconds remaining. Okay, we wait. We wait until finish the commercial. We cannot cancel because this app is free, so we need to watch the commercial. Okay, 1 second and cancel. So now the video is here. It's okay. As you can see in my screen, guys, the Inshot watermark is already removed. So effective. Save and click save. So commercial again. Okay, finish. So download. Okay, 100%. Okay. Now I check my gallery if the video is there. Okay, I check it out, and here as you can see, good morning. That's good. Okay, that's it. If you helpful this video, you can give me the like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.